Yamaha Power Tuner, now standard equipment with the YZ450F, is an amazing tool. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how simple it is to operate. We'll run you through the engine character tuning, how to use the race log feature, the monitor function, and the maintenance record feature. The Power Tuner is compatible with almost any modern Apple or Android smartphone. You simply download the free Power Tuner app and you're ready to go. The first thing you'll need to do is pair your phone with your machine's communication control unit. The CCU serial number is your secret password. You can find it printed on the CCU, which is hidden under the seat and side cover of the bike. The CCU cannot be accessed without this hidden serial number. To establish the Wi-Fi connection, turn the bike on by a quick push of the starter button switch. The bike's electrical system is designed to shut off after 1 minute if the bike is not running, to preserve the battery charge. So you may need to push the button again to keep the power on while connecting to the Wi-Fi. The YZ450F system will not do an auto shutdown if information is being transferred, in monitor mode, and while uploading or downloading maps. Now, let's get down to business. The Power Tuner app enables you to visualize a three-dimensional map for both fuel injection and ignition timing. With the Power Tuner, you can access and modify these maps across 16 points of adjustment, allowing you tremendous freedom in how you want your bike to run. Every Yamaha bike comes tuned to factory standards that have been proven to be the best overall settings. And if you do something you don't like, don't worry, you can always hit the restore button. So let's look at a real-world situation. Say a dry and hard-packed track. You may want to decrease the fuel injection and retard the ignition timing to make the engine smoother and less responsive. Or if the track has tons of traction, you want quicker acceleration, so you increase fuel injection and advance ignition timing. Experiment. See what works. Once you or your friends find maps that really work, you can share them, so more Yamahas will find their way onto the podium, wherever they're ridden. To create a new map, just tap here. Name it if you like. Tapping on the map brings up the detail page, where you can begin making adjustments. Whether you're in the fuel injection or ignition timing window, you will see a value and position button. Tapping on the value button opens up a value input screen, where 16 adjustable cells can now be changed by tapping one or all the cells you want to adjust. Each fuel injection cell can be adjusted 7 steps richer or leaner, while ignition timing cells can be advanced 4 steps or retarded 9 steps. Each cell is specified by the engine RPM on the horizontal axis and the throttle opening on the vertical axis. To change the value, use the up and down arrows. For a noticeable change in the feeling, adjust values 2 or 3 steps. For advanced users, tapping the position button enables you to adjust set point intervals for the throttle opening and engine RPM. Changes can be made in increments of 5% for throttle opening and 500 RPM for engine speed. Let's try one more example. If the course is slower and slippery, you can lower the throttle and RPM set points to fine-tune your map to the power range you're using. Once you think you've got a map you want to keep, you can add notes about it, such as hardpack, slippery, or loamy. You get the point. To send a map to the ECU, tap the upload icon, press OK. Select the map and upload it. To download a map, tap the download icon and follow the same steps. The Power Tuner comes preset with 3 maps. These aren't editable, but can be copied and renamed to be used as a starting point for a new map. You can also copy or delete a map. The Power Tuner's race log function enables you to archive information on your bike's setup, as well as track conditions and weather, so you can have an accurate log of all your races or rides to use as reference the next time you return there. To add a new race log entry, select the bike, select Race Log, and tap the top right icon to create a new log entry. You can also record information about each race by tapping on various entry fields. And just like the maps, race logs can be shared with other users. The monitor screen function shows real-time data on whatever machine the Power Tuner is paired with. You can use this information to quickly assess your machine's condition and possibly verify if something's wrong. Finally, the harder you ride, the more your machine needs regular maintenance. The Power Tuner maintenance screen has fields for running time and user-defined trip times. So, for example, you could track when it's time to change oil. It'll alert you to problems by showing you diagnostic codes, and the calendar maintenance detail allows you to set reminder dates for maintenance. You bought a YZ because you know it offers the best combination of performance, handling, and technology. The Yamaha Power Tuner app just gave you a huge leg up on everyone else. A brand new way for you and your YZ to be connected as one.